Holy moly.
Looks like it's going through the hand.
Oh, okay. Get the finger down.
That's what people care about.
Bird, I'm cooking up something pretty big here.
Yeah?
Magic.
No, I just flew.
No. We do magic.
Oh. What's that?
It's like little tricks you do, and the humans are fooled by them. I saw it on TV. Here, watch. It's like this.
Well, Matt, your finger. How did you do that?
A magician never reveals his secrets.
Wait a minute. What if I want to be the magician? What are my tricks? What are my secrets?
You have the most important job of all. You're the assistant.
The assistant?
Yeah!
What does the assistant do?
The assistant dresses nice and gets to handle all the cool props. The magician does all the work, but the assistant gets all the applause.
The applause?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay, so all we have to do is get out of here, get costumes, magician costumes, and then come up with some kind of...
Finish what you're eating first.
This is a banana.
Wow, big surprise.
Okay, here's the plan. What are you doing?
The rain just felt good on you coming down.
You know, we have a whole magic show.
All right, let's go then.
Okay. Gather round, folks. The show is about to begin. Bird, let's go. Come on.
This doesn't fit.
I'm sure it looks great.
Fine.
It's a little...
I'm not doing this.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves to witness the magical stylings of the Great Matt.
And his assistant?
Oh, and to my right, my assistant. Now, like all of you, I love using my human fingers. The only problem is sometimes I notice they have a mind of their own. Can everyone see this?
Move on.
Wait. Now here is the real trick. Give me the rope. The rope. This is a basic human rope.
Why do you keep calling everything human?
Assistant, pass me the scissors.
Scissors?
Yes, the scissors, please.
I didn't know we needed scissors.
Do any of you have scissors on you? No, wait. No, wait.
I knew this was a bad idea.
Wait! Everyone! Who wants to see me turn my assistant into a bird?
What?
Get in the box, Bird.
Okay. What's gonna happen to me in there?
You fly out.
But isn't that... Won't they... Are you sure?
Get in.
Oh, God.
And now I, the Great Matt, give you the gift of flight! Thank you.
The Great Matt.
And what can we do about my nose? Who is it?
It's me. Can I talk to you for a second?
Come in.
Hey, I was just thinking about how you said the assistant gets the applause.
3 minutes, Matt. Thank you, Grayson.
Hi, Grayson. And anyway, I couldn't help but notice that
These are plantains.
the label said banana.
Get rid of them.
Yeah, so it just seems like I'm not getting any applause.
Okay, sorry, what do you want?
Applause.
Okay, yeah, sure. Applause. You got it.
Hey guys, someone from the zoo is here? They know you're working with live animals, so they send someone over to make sure you're safe.
Should be fine.
Yeah.
Assistant, please pass me the magic scissors.
I forgot them.
You are useless, aren't you? And what's he dressed like? Look at this top. You know, assistant, when the zookeepers dump off your food, you're not supposed to eat all of it.
Surely I deserve some respect, don't I, Matt?
No! And it's the Great Matt. Don't forget it. But enough pettiness from my assistant. Who's ready to see me turn him into a disgusting beast of the sky?
Disgusting beast?
A rat with wings! You wanna see it?
Showtime. Get in the box.
No.
What?
A rat with wings?
Come on, they're loving it. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ladies and gentlemen, who would like to see me transform the Great Matt into an annoying, mean monkey?
Bird. Come on. We're in this together, right? How about we change the name of the show? And so now it's Bird and Matt Break Loose. You come up with the plans, and I'm gonna be the guy who's like, I don't know. Change him back.
Dude, do something.
Right. More magic from the Great Bird. Now, like all of you, I love using my human fingers. The only problem is sometimes. One second. I got this. Wait. I know. Who wants to see me transform myself into a bird?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Ow! What are you doing in here?
I had to hide. You shredded my one-of-a-kind magic outfit.
Well, get out of here. I have a show to do.
You're just stealing my act.
It was my act.
How's it your act? You're just the assistant. Nobody cares about the assistant.
Ah, I knew it! I knew the assistant didn't get the applause.
You're obsessed with applause. You have an applause obsession.
Get out of my way.
Oh, you want to do a little pulling?
You want to do a little pulling.
Stop pulling.
I'm pulling this.
Stop
You're
pulling.
pulling me.
You're gonna pull this box.
But the real trick was, where did those two magicians disappear to? What a mystery. Well, wherever they are, they must be celebrating, because that was one of the greatest magic shows of all time.
Sorry I tried to steal the show. I guess I wasn't a very good assistant, huh?
Well, I think that's because you never really were an assistant. Were you? I know who you really are. You're the great bird. But I couldn't help but notice your magic finger trick needed some work.
Whoa! Matt, how do you do it?
Normally, a magician would never reveal his secrets, but since you are a fellow magician, first, twist this finger back around like this. See that?
You know that we're different species, right?